caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the
What's up, folks? We are back here in Granby Street, downtown Norfolk. We are here at Birds and Bourbon. Nice little local spot here on Granby Street, really close to Waterside and some of the other places that we've shown you guys right down the street there. This place does weekend brunch, 11 a.m. to close. There's a picture of the menu there. They got my favorite, chicken and waffles. They also have a very extensive bourbon selection as well, and some cocktails. So I think I remember seeing they had a espresso martini. They do, the best espresso martini ever. They have one of those, so I'm definitely gonna get one of those. And then maybe after that I might get an old fashioned. So happy hour, oh no wait, no, it's Monday through Friday is the $6, okay. So old fashioned would be $12. So I'm gonna do the chicken and waffles as usual, and the wife will be getting the biscuits and gravy. But yeah, we've never been here before. Saw it on Instagram, popped up, so we decided to come check it out. So check it out with us. All right, we got what it says on the menu, the best espresso martini ever. So there we go. It's very dark. Looks like a whole lot of coffee in there. I see some ice at the top, a little bit of foam. It's pretty sweet. Pretty good. Not as like I guess creamy, milky as the ones I'm used to, but this one's good. Would order again, definitely. And I believe I don't have the menu in front of me. I can't remember how much this was. Like maybe like 15. Yeah, somewhere around. Actually, is it there? Nah, it's not there. All right, yeah. Well, you saw the menu, so we showed it to you. I'll put the price right here if I remember. Sometimes I forget. Speaking of forgetting, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, you know, we are very close to monetization. We are about 300 subscribers away, and probably about 90% of you guys who are watching these, which we do appreciate, are not subscribed. So just hit that button down there. It takes 1 second. It's free. It doesn't cost you a thing. And it really helps out the channel, helps us to get monetized, like our ultimate goal is. And we have and then here's the wife's mimosa. It's like a nice little size mimosa there. Got a little orange slice in that drink. Got it fizzy bubbling. Yeah, so we have all of our links down below, Facebook, Instagram. Hit that bell, hit that subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned for what we got next. We got casino content. We got a bunch of Vegas stuff. We have all kind of stuff. So, and then she pulled it up. It's $15 for this thing right here. This is the best martini ever. So yeah, we'll be back when the food arrives. All right, the food has arrived. Thank you, ma'am. There we go. Can you see it there? There we go. We got the chicken and waffle with the home frizzles. Looks like some crispy chicken and waffles here. Let's see. Let's drag the old knife. The wife's pointing at hers like, do mine next. I'm gonna drag the knife across this. See how nice and crispy it is. Do some ASMR. Let's see. Can you hear that? All right, let's look at the biscuits and gravy here. So the biscuits and gravy, I'm looking at the menu up here. Turkey sausage over our signature biscuits, fried chicken thigh, 2 eggs, and home fries. Oh no, she dropped her entire utensils. In case y'all wonder what that noise was. There we go. Can you see that? Like this? Is that better?
Thank you.
Is that better? I'm trying not to slide her off the plate. There you go. All right, so there we go. Got some eggs. And she also has the stuff as well. Let's try a little bit of that sausage. Try a tiny bit there. I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to ask here in a second. You guys watch our channel a lot. I think you know what I'm going to probably ask her. All right, let's bite into this waffle here. Pretty thick waffle. Let's get into this piece of chicken here. It's steaming there. Very crunchy outside. It actually looks like, and I think it is, I think it's like a cornflake batter. Definitely looks like it. I could be wrong, but I'm definitely seeing what looks like cornflakes on it. Let's see if I can show you what I'm talking about. You see like little individual little flakes on there, almost like it's, but it could just be the way they battered it. All right, this gravy or hair of the dog?
They're different gravies. This one's tasty.
It's sausage gravy.
No, it's turkey.
Turkey sausage gravy.
The gravy tastes good, but I still prefer hair.
Still prefer hair of the dog. Not bad though. She said it's not bad. She said the gravy's good. I really hope you guys can hear me. The music in here is like really super loud, and the way I had to sit, the music is kind of going straight into the microphone. So let's try one of the potatoes. Everybody knows I love potatoes. Ooh, those are hot. Hot. She says the biscuits are good. Try a little piece.
They're moist.
Moist. Buttery. I'm gonna season potatoes. All right, that was pretty good. So, Birds and Bourbon down here on Granby Street, downtown Norfolk. Make sure you guys come check them out. The link to their website will be down below. They do take reservations. I think parties of 4 or less. It is kind of small in here, as you guys can see. So, you want to make sure you might have a reservation. But I would definitely come check it out if you guys want to come have some drinks and hang out, have a nice time. It is a pretty nice day out here today. So, chicken and waffles are wife approved. Or no, excuse me, the biscuits and gravy are wife approved. Chicken and waffles are good. Potatoes are very nice. I love my potatoes, as you all know. Espresso martini, good. Everything we have was pretty good. So we're going to show you how much all this costs when the bill comes, and then we'll end up calling the video a day. So again, make sure you're subscribed, hit that button. It really helps us out. You have no idea how much that'll help us out. We're trying to reach monetization this year. That is our goal. We are about 300 subscribers away. That's not a whole lot. We know you guys can get there. We have so much other content here. If you look at our playlist down below, we've got casino content, event contents, restaurants, everything. So we'll be back when the bill comes. All right, the bill is here. There we go. Birds and Bourbon. That's where to find them. So there we go. They do charge extra for credit, as you can see. So cash 73, credit 76. They pass the credit card fee on to the customer. So just be aware of that. It's like a 3%, like something, I think. So subtotal was 65, tax fee, all that. But yeah, that's where to find them, right here. We'll link them down below. And that's pretty much all we got for you guys. So make sure you're subscribed. And hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Your favorite restaurant in your area. We'll try to make sure we make it there. But other than that, that's all we got. So tripping ain't easy, but a show is fun.